How to fix OKX backup stuck at percentage. So to fix an OKX mobile backup or sync that gets stuck at a specific percentage, you can start by checking your internet connection. Simply scroll down the control center from the top of your screen, then turn off your Wi-Fi and use your cellular data or vice versa to rule out router issues. Then disable any active VPNs or proxies as they can interfere with OKX servers. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache on your Android device. Now there is no direct cache clearing button on an iPhone, so on your iPhone what you have to do is go to the settings, then tap on general, now tap on iPhone storage. Now find the OKX app from the list, or you can just simply tap on the search bar at the bottom and then type OKX. Now tap upload app. Tap upload app one more time to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button here. Simply tap on it or just go back to your Apple App Store, find the app and then reinstall the app. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.